So this is week 8 for Web Design Development 430. This week we were implementing changes to the document edit and the contact edit, making the document edit work and the contact edit work, including the add document. As you can see here, there is some form validation, and if you enter in the values, it gets rid of those, and then you can add a document. And then if you want to change the name of document, you can go ahead and just type in some values there and change the name of the document. Yeah, so that kind of takes care of the edit document one. There was a little bit of confusion. I was trying to implement the solution in the video, and the solution in the video didn't work, but the teacher's solution did. But anyway, moving on to the new contacts. I had a little problems with the ng-if statements. They weren't working for some reason. They wouldn't let me make it so that these things would only show up after it'd been touched. Regardless, once you fill those fields, it does go away, and you can save it, and it adds it on the bottom there. And I just remembered I needed to implement something. There we go. Okay, so you can enter it, save it, and then it goes back to where it was. I did have another problem with this one though, where you go into edit and you edit it, but it doesn't do anything except add one on the back. And something interesting that I found is when you actually go in and edit others, it will place it kind of randomly within the document itself. So like if I edit him, then it just kind of starts iterating through. The interesting thing though is when I went to inspect it, I put some console logs in the document so I could try to see what was going on. But now it's just adding to the array. And I'm not really sure why it is doing this. I spent several hours trying to figure it out, but I can't really figure it out, and now it's just staying at a constant 20. So I don't really know what happened, but it's just kind of odd. So I was wondering if you had any input with that, but other than that, there wasn't much else to talk about. That should be pretty much it. See, for some reason it added it there when I edited Shane Thompson. It didn't replace Shane Thompson, it replaced somebody else. So it is super weird. I don't know why it's doing that. I believe that it should be working the way that it should, but maybe you can check my code and find something that I can't see. See, it did it again, where it replaced 10 instead of Shane Thompson. So that's super weird. I couldn't figure it out. I'm sorry. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything. And that's all.